I will talk about how can you pay on your app, on your YesStyle app. We're going to figure out the solution, know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way that it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here you're looking here for any items you want to pay. I'm going to click on this pay here. So then you click here on this side, on this items here, then you go down, click on add to bag. So then you click here on add to bag here. So then when you add it to your bag, you will go back here. When you add it here to your bag, so I'm going to click on it here to add with you. So here you have to select size or color. So then you click here on your bag. Then here it's going to add to your bag here. Then you go down. You will find price here. You click on continue. So when you add your account here, and you can select your PayPal or your credit card to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.